Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into the SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 20th, 2024, our system has ranked SPY as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.42. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently shows no change, remaining at a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within the lower segment of a narrow and weak upward trend in the short term, which often presents an excellent buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend support at $586.69 is breached, it could indicate a deceleration in the upward movement and may serve as an early warning sign of a potential trend reversal. Analyzing the 3-month trend, it indicates a possible change of 6.43% over the upcoming 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 5.68% to 10.56%. Looking ahead to the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 25.30% within the next year, with expected returns between 19.86% and 29.96%. This implies a projected price range of $708.17 to $767.83 at the end of the year. Our latest daily update for the SPY ETF highlights a stronger technical forecast for its price following Friday's trading session. On the last trading day, the SPY ETF price increased by 0.81%, moving from $586.10 to $590.83. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 2.55%, reaching a low of $580.91 and a high of $595.75. Over the last 10 days, the price has declined in 7 instances, resulting in an overall decrease of 2.8%. Notably, trading volume surged on the last day alongside the price increase, which is a positive technical indicator, with 30 million more shares exchanged compared to the previous day. In total, 103 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $60 billion and $71 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $609.06, while the lowest was $466.43. Currently, the price stands 2.99%, or $18.23, below the 52-week high, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 closed higher today, offering some much-needed relief after a challenging week for U.S. indices. Investor sentiment, however, remains fragile, as the CNN Money Fear and Greed Index indicates an extreme fear zone, reflecting widespread anxiety among market participants. This sentiment may influence short-term volatility as investors weigh risk and reward amidst uncertain macroeconomic conditions. The recent report on Michigan consumer sentiment met expectations, but highlighted a rise in year-ahead inflation forecasts from 2.6% to 2.8%. This uptick could affect consumer spending and ultimately impact corporate earnings, weighing on stock performance in the near term. Compounding these concerns, the Federal Reserve's indecision has created uncertainty in the market, leading to continued selling pressure across major indices. The lack of clarity on monetary policy from Fed Chairman Jerome Powell hampers confidence, especially as liquidity challenges loom with the holiday season approaching. However, a moderate Santa Claus rally is anticipated, suggesting a potential rebound in stock prices over the festive period. This context will be crucial for long-term projections, particularly as investors assess whether the index can stabilize above support levels indicated in recent forecasts. Overall, while short-term fluctuations may persist, the market is approaching a crucial juncture that could define its trajectory into early 2025. The interplay of consumer sentiment, inflation expectations, and Federal Reserve communications will be pivotal in shaping future stock movements, especially for SPY and other major indices. The following signals have been identified for SPY. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, December 19, 2024, and so far it has risen 0.81%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot is identified. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The SPY Exchange Traded Fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a more negative forecast for the fund. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $597.55 and $595.98. A breakthrough above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 96 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $586.29. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with strong liquidity, the risk is considered to be very low. During the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $14.84 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.55%. Over the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 1.61%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $591.05. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $586.29. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $555.54, reflecting a decrease of 5.97%. This exchange-traded fund displays very low daily movements, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified just 1 day ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment option? Currently, SPY indicates several negative signals, suggesting it could be a sell candidate. However, considering the potential for a turnaround, it is advisable to view it as a hold or accumulate candidate at this time, while monitoring for further developments. Our analysis has been updated from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate suggestion since the last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 23rd of December, we anticipate SPY will open down by approximately $1.67 and begin trading at $589.16. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.